Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a subject of fascination and speculation for decades. In this video, we'll delve into what AI truly is, address common misconceptions and fears associated with it, and explore techniques for crafting effective prompts to achieve useful results. Howdy, I'm just some random nude dude sitting in my closet talking to myself. It's also where I celebrate the power of free thinking and encourage bold ideas. As a society, we're often afraid to challenge the norms and think outside the box. But here, I embrace the unconventional. So sit back, relax, and join me on this journey of exploration, where we embrace our inner nude dude and push boundaries to discover new perspectives. Let's demystify artificial intelligence and uncover its true power and potential. AI has captured the imagination of people around the world, often eliciting a mix of fascination, excitement, and sometimes fear. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that possess the ability to perform tasks requiring human intelligence. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and techniques, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve decision-making, and tackle complex challenges with its immense computational power and ability to process vast amounts of data. However, as AI continues to advance, it's important to address misconceptions and alleviate fears associated with this transformative technology. Concerns often arise regarding AI's impact on employment, its potential to take over humanity, and its lack of human judgment and ethical decision-making. By exploring these topics, we can separate fact from fiction and gain a clearer understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. Crafting effective prompts is crucial for obtaining useful and accurate responses from AI models. By being clear and specific in our prompts, providing relevant context, and understanding how to balance open-ended and specific approaches, we can maximize the value of our interactions with AI. Additionally, being aware of the limitations of AI models allows us to exercise critical thinking and seek human expertise when necessary. Now let's address misconceptions and fears and equip ourselves with the knowledge and strategies to harness the power of this remarkable technology. By understanding AI's true potential and learning how to effectively interact with AI models, we can unlock new possibilities, drive innovation, and shape a future where humans and AI collaborate to create a better world. In the age of rapid technological advancements, few topics have captured the collective imagination quite like artificial intelligence. From sci-fi movies depicting rogue AIs taking over the world to concerns about job losses and the erosion of human judgment, there's no shortage of misconceptions and fears surrounding this powerful technology. But what is AI really, and how do we harness its potential for the betterment of society? In this video, we embark on a journey to demystify AI, untangle fact from fiction, and shed light on the immense possibilities it holds. Whether you're an AI enthusiast eager to explore its intricacies, or a skeptic wary of its implications, this video aims to provide valuable insights and practical guidance. So let's dive in and unlock the true nature and power of artificial intelligence. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that possess the ability to perform tasks requiring human intelligence. From analyzing vast amounts of data to making informed decisions, AI is a powerful tool with applications ranging from machine learning and natural language processing to computer vision. However, it's important to note that the current state of AI is considered narrow or weak AI, specialized in specific tasks, rather than possessing general human-like intelligence. Of course, I'm not sure a wide swath of humans possess general human-like intelligence. Before we delve into the misconceptions and fears surrounding AI, let's establish a solid foundation by understanding what AI truly is. At its core, Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that possess the ability to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These systems are designed to analyze vast amounts of data, derive patterns and insights, and make informed decisions and predictions based on that information. AI encompasses a wide array of techniques and approaches, each serving different purposes and applications. One of the most common approaches is machine learning, which involves training AI models on large data sets to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms can be categorized into supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, each with its own distinct characteristics. Another prominent aspect of AI is natural language processing, or NLP, which focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP techniques involve tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, text summarization, and question-answering systems. These advancements in NLP have led to the development of virtual assistants like Siri and chatbots that can engage in human-like conversations. Computer vision is another critical domain within AI, which aims to enable machines to perceive and understand visual information. Computer vision algorithms are designed to process and analyze images or videos, allowing AI systems to recognize objects, detect patterns, and perform tasks like facial recognition, object tracking, and image classification. Beyond these core areas, AI encompasses numerous other techniques such as deep learning, neural networks, expert systems, and more. The field of AI is vast and continually evolving, with researchers and engineers constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. While AI has made significant progress in recent years, it's essential to understand that the current state of AI is still considered narrow or weak AI. Narrow AI refers to AI systems that are specialized in performing specific tasks and excel in those areas, but lack the general intelligence and versatility of human intelligence. Achieving general or strong AI, which would possess human-level intelligence across diverse tasks, remains a complex and ongoing challenge. The development of AI systems requires substantial computational power, sophisticated algorithms, and vast amounts of data. The availability of big data and advancements in computing infrastructure have significantly contributed to the progress of AI in recent years. However, it's important to note that AI is not a standalone entity. It requires human expertise, creativity, and responsible deployment to ensure its beneficial integration into society. By understanding the breadth and depth of AI and its various applications, we can appreciate its immense potential to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and improve our daily lives. In popular culture, there is a widespread fear that AI will take over humanity. This misconception stems from science fiction narratives, but it's important to understand that AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Now we'll explore the collaborative nature of AI development, the ongoing efforts in AI ethics and explainability, and the potential for AI to positively impact society. Let's address some of the common misconceptions and fears associated with AI, dispelling myths and providing a clearer understanding of its true potential. One prevalent fear is the notion that AI will surpass human intelligence and ultimately dominate or even threaten humanity. This concern is often fueled by science fiction narratives depicting rogue AI systems rebelling against their human creators. However, it's important to emphasize that such scenarios are fictional and do not reflect the current state of AI or its intended purpose. AI, in its current form, is designed to be a tool created and controlled by humans. Its primary objective is to augment human capabilities, not replace them. The development of AI is driven by the goal of collaboration between humans and machines, working together to solve complex problems, improve decision-making processes, and enhance productivity across various domains. Fear of AI domination stems from the concept of general or strong AI, general AI, which refers to AI systems that possess human-level intelligence across a wide range of tasks. While achieving general AI remains an ongoing challenge, it's important to note that AI development is progressing within the realms of narrow or weak AI. Narrow AI refers to AI systems that are specialized in performing specific tasks and excel in those areas, but lack the general intelligence and versatility of human intelligence. Furthermore, responsible AI development focuses on ethical considerations, ensuring that AI systems are aligned with human values and adhere to ethical guidelines. Efforts are being made to establish robust frameworks for AI governance, transparency, and accountability. These initiatives aim to mitigate risks, prevent unintended consequences, and ensure that AI serves as a tool that benefits humanity. Rather than posing a threat to humanity, AI has the potential to address significant societal challenges and positively impact various sectors such as healthcare, transportation, education, and environmental sustainability. By leveraging AI to augment human capabilities, we can improve efficiency, solve complex problems, and unlock new opportunities for innovation and progress. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial to remain vigilant and address ethical, social, and legal implications. Responsible development, transparent governance, and active collaboration between AI developers, policymakers, and society at large are essential to ensuring that AI remains a force for good and aligns with our collective interests. It's important to approach the discussions around AI with a balanced perspective, understanding that AI is a tool that, when used responsibly, can augment human capabilities and lead to advancements that benefit society as a whole. By dispelling the misconception of AI taking over humanity, we can embrace its potential to enhance our lives, empower us to tackle complex challenges, and shape a future where humans and AI coexist harmoniously. Some argue that AI lacks the ability to exercise judgment, empathy, or ethical decision-making. While it's true that AI systems do not possess the same innate human experiences and moral compass, significant advancements have been made to address these concerns and incorporate ethical considerations into AI development. AI ethics has emerged as a critical field of study, aiming to ensure that AI systems are transparent, fair, accountable, and aligned with human values. Researchers, policymakers, and organizations are actively working on developing guidelines and regulations to govern AI systems and promote their ethical behavior. One area of focus is explainability. AI models are becoming increasingly complex, making it challenging to understand the decision-making processes behind their outputs. However, efforts are being made to enhance explainability, allowing AI systems to provide rationales or justifications for their decisions. Explainable AI enables humans to understand the underlying factors and considerations that influenced an AI-generated output, fostering trust and accountability. Additionally, AI researchers and developers are exploring ways to imbue AI systems with a greater understanding of ethical principles. This involves incorporating ethical frameworks into AI algorithms, teaching machines to recognize and prioritize ethical concerns in their decision-making processes. By embedding ethical guidelines and training AI models on diverse and inclusive datasets, we can mitigate biases and enhance fairness in AI outcomes. Collaboration between AI and human experts is essential for addressing the lack of human judgment. By combining AI's computational power and ability to process vast amounts of data with human expertise and judgment, we can achieve a more robust and balanced decision-making process. Human oversight and involvement are crucial to evaluating the context, understanding ethical nuances, and making ultimate judgments or decisions. It's important to note that while AI systems may lack human judgment, they excel in areas such as pattern recognition, data analysis, and optimization. By leveraging AI strengths in conjunction with human judgment, we can enhance decision-making processes, improve efficiency, and augment human capabilities in various domains, ranging from healthcare and finance to environmental conservation and social justice. As AI continues to advance, it's imperative to prioritize ongoing research, education, and public discourse around AI ethics. By engaging in multidisciplinary conversations involving experts from fields such as philosophy, ethics, social sciences, and technology, we can collectively shape the ethical development and deployment of AI systems. Ultimately, by integrating ethical considerations, promoting transparency, and ensuring human oversight, we can address concerns regarding the lack of human judgment in AI systems. Responsible AI development strives to align AI with human values, promote fairness and inclusivity, and maximize the benefits while mitigating potential risks. The fear of AI causing mass unemployment is a legitimate concern and has sparked discussions about the future of work. While it's true that certain tasks may become automated with the advancement of AI and robotics, it's essential to recognize that AI also has the potential to create new job opportunities and transform existing roles. Automation has historically been a driver of economic progress. As repetitive and routine tasks get automated, human workers are liberated to focus on higher value work that requires creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal skills. AI can handle mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to engage in more complex, intellectually stimulating, and fulfilling work. Moreover, AI can enhance productivity and efficiency across industries. By streamlining processes, optimizing resource allocation, and improving decision-making, AI systems can lead to increased output and economic growth. This, in turn, can create a demand for new job roles to support and leverage AI technologies effectively. AI-driven innovations have the potential to catalyze the development of entirely new industries and professions. As AI continues to evolve, new jobs will emerge that focus on developing, implementing, and maintaining AI systems. These roles include AI engineers, data scientists, AI trainers, AI ethicists, and AI policy experts. Additionally, AI can enable the birth of entire new sectors and markets, stimulating job creation in areas we may not have even imagined yet. However, it's crucial to address the challenges of job displacement and the need for upskilling and reskilling the workforce. As AI automates certain tasks, workers in affected industries may require support and training to transition into new roles or industries. Governments, educational institutions, and organizations must invest in reskilling programs, lifelong learning initiatives, and workforce development strategies to equip individuals with the skills needed for jobs of the future. Furthermore, fostering a culture of collaboration between humans and machines is vital. AI technologies can complement human expertise, leading to new hybrid job roles that combine human capabilities with AI support. Emphasizing human-AI collaboration can lead to more productive and satisfying work experiences, where AI assists humans in complex decision-making, data analysis, and problem-solving. Society must prioritize the ethical and responsible use of AI in the workplace. This includes addressing biases in AI systems and ensuring that AI-powered hiring processes are fair, transparent, and inclusive. Organizations must also consider the societal and ethical implications of AI deployment, aiming to strike a balance between efficiency and human well-being. Overall, while AI may bring challenges to the job market, the evolution of work is not new. Adapting to technological advancements has been consistent throughout history, and societies have consistently found ways to adjust and thrive. By embracing AI as a tool for augmentation, investing in education and reskilling, and fostering a collaborative human-AI workforce, we can navigate the future of work and create a society where humans and AI coexist to achieve shared prosperity. Concerns regarding data privacy and security in the context of AI are valid and crucial to address. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data for training and operation, and the misuse or unauthorized access to personal or sensitive information raises ethical and legal concerns. To safeguard data privacy, stringent regulations and frameworks have to be established in various jurisdictions. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, for example, sets standards for the collection, processing, and storage of personal data. It provides individuals with control over their data and requires organizations to implement measures to protect privacy and ensure transparency. AI developers and organizations are increasingly adopting privacy-preserving techniques. Differential privacy, for instance, is a method that adds noise and randomness to data to protect individual privacy while still allowing for meaningful analysis. Federated learning is another approach that allows AI models to be trained on data distributed across multiple devices or locations, minimizing the need for data to be shared or centralized. Secure multi-party computation is yet another technique that enables computation to be performed across multiple parties without revealing sensitive information. By utilizing these privacy-preserving methods, AI developers can strike a balance between harnessing the power of data for training AI models and respecting individual privacy rights. Transparency in AI systems is also critical for ensuring data privacy. It involves making AI processes and decision-making mechanisms understandable and explainable to users. Explainable AI methods enable individuals to comprehend the factors that contributed to AI-generated output, providing transparency and accountability. When users have visibility into how their data is being used and how AI algorithms make decisions, they can make informed choices about data sharing and give consent with greater confidence. Additionally, organizations and AI developers must prioritize data security to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and misuse. Implementing robust security measures, such as encryption, secure data storage protocols, and access controls, is essential to protect sensitive information. Regular security audits, vulnerability testing, and compliance with industry standards further enhance data security. Education and awareness are key to empowering individuals and organizations to protect their data privacy. Promoting digital literacy, informing users about their privacy rights, and providing clear privacy policies and consent mechanisms are critical steps. Individuals should be encouraged to understand how their data is being used and shared, enabling them to make informed decisions about data privacy. By implementing stringent privacy regulations, employing privacy-preserving techniques, ensuring transparency, and prioritizing data security, we can mitigate the risks associated with data privacy in AI applications. Striking a balance between data utilization for AI advancements and respecting privacy rights is crucial to foster trust and ensure that AI is deployed in an ethical and responsible manner. By addressing these misconceptions and fears surrounding AI, we can foster a more informed and balanced perspective. Understanding the collaborative nature of AI, the ongoing efforts in AI ethics and explainability, the potential for job creation, and the importance of data privacy and security allows us to harness AI's transformative power responsibly and for the benefit of society. When interacting with AI models, being clear and specific in your prompts is essential. For example, if you want to know the weather forecast for a specific location, a clear and specific prompt would be, "What is the weather forecast for Los Angeles tomorrow?" This prompt specifies the desired outcome and provides the necessary context. Now that we have addressed the misconceptions and fears surrounding AI, let's explore techniques for crafting prompts that yield useful and meaningful results. When interacting with AI models, clarity and specificity in your prompts are paramount. Here are some key considerations for crafting clear and specific prompts. State your objective. Clearly articulate your objective or the information you are seeking from the AI model. Whether it's asking a question, requesting assistance with a task, or seeking insights, stating your objective explicitly helps AI understand the purpose of your prompt. Specify your desired outcome. Clearly communicate the desired outcome or the type of response you expect from the AI model. This can include specific information, recommendations, predictions, or other forms of output you require. Providing a clear expectation helps guide the AI model's response generation process. Avoid ambiguity. Ambiguous or vague prompts can lead to inaccurate or undesired responses. Ensure your prompts are specific and unambiguous, leaving no room for misinterpretation. Avoid open-ended or overly general queries that may confuse the AI model and result in less precise or relevant outputs. Use concrete examples. Including concrete examples or scenarios related to your prompt can provide additional clarity and context. These examples help AI understand the specific domain or context of your inquiry, allowing for more accurate and relevant responses. The AI model can learn from the provided examples and generate responses that align with the demonstrated context. Consider constraints or guidelines. If there are specific constraints, requirements, or guidelines that need to be followed, communicate them clearly in your prompt. These constraints could be related to time, budget, regulations, or any other factors that might impact the response. By explicitly stating the constraints, you enable the AI model to consider them in generating appropriate and feasible responses. Review and refine. Before submitting your prompt, review it to carefully ensure it is clear, concise, and free from any potential ambiguity. Consider how someone unfamiliar with your topic or context might interpret your prompt and make adjustments to eliminate confusion. Refine your prompt iteratively if needed, incorporating feedback and learning from previous interactions with the AI model. For example, to obtain the specific information needed, we can craft a clear and specific prompt such as, "What is the average annual temperature in Sydney, Australia?" This prompt explicitly states the desired outcome, average annual temperature, and provides the specific context of Sydney, Australia, allowing the AI model to generate a precise response tailored to the location in question. By being clear and specific in your prompts, you enhance your chances of receiving accurate, relevant, and useful responses from AI models. Clarity helps AI understand your intentions, focus on the intended task, and generate outputs that align with your expectations. Taking the time to craft precise prompts can significantly improve the quality of your interactions and enhance the overall value derived from AI systems. Context is key in generating accurate responses from AI models. For instance, when asking a question about an historical event, providing the relevant background information, like the time period, key people involved, and any specific details related to the event, will help the AI model generate a more informed response. Providing relevant context in your prompts is crucial for AI to generate accurate and meaningful responses. Here's why context matters and how to effectively incorporate it. Background information. When crafting prompts, consider providing relevant background information to help AI understand the context of your inquiry. This can include pertinent details about the topic, relevant historical or industry-specific information, or any background knowledge that is necessary for AI to generate a well-informed response. By offering context, you enable the AI model to have a better understanding of the subject matter and generate a more accurate response and relevant outputs. Set the scene. If your prompt involves a specific scenario or situation, it's essential to set the scene by describing the circumstances and key factors at play. This helps AI contextualize the problem or question and generate responses that consider the given scenario. The more information you provide about the situation, the better equipped AI will be to generate responses that align with the provided context. Specify the domain. If your prompt relates to a specific domain or industry, make sure you mention it explicitly. Different domains have their own jargon, conventions, and considerations. By specifying the domain, you help AI narrow down its focus and generate responses that are relevant to the particular field or industry. This ensures that the responses provided by AI are tailored to the specific domain you are addressing. Include examples. Providing concrete examples within your prompt can greatly enhance the context and aid AI in generating accurate responses. Examples help illustrate the specific problem or concept you're referring to, allowing AI to understand the nuances and intricacies involved. By incorporating examples, you guide AI to provide a more precise and contextually appropriate output. Temporal or spatial context. In certain cases, a temporal or spatial context is crucial for generating an accurate response. If your prompt involves time-sensitive information or requires consideration of specific locations, make sure you include that context. Mention the time frame, relevant historical events, or geographical features that may pertain to your inquiry. By providing such context, AI can generate responses that align with specific temporal or spatial requirements. Consider using perspective. If the prompt is user-centric, such as in customer support scenarios or personalized recommendations, it's beneficial to include details about the user's preferences, history, or specific needs. The user's perspective and context can significantly impact the relevance and effectiveness of AI-generated responses. By incorporating user-specific context, AI can provide more tailored and personalized assistance. Providing relevant context is essential for generating insightful responses. For example, we can ask, based on historical data, analyze the impact of COVID-19 on the global tourism industry. By specifying the context of COVID-19 and the industry in question, we provide the necessary background information to guide the AI model in generating useful and data-driven responses. Remember, the goal of providing context is to help AI better understand the nuances, constraints, and specific requirements of your prompt. By offering relevant background information, setting the scene, specifying the domain, including examples, and considering temporal or spatial factors, you enable AI to generate responses that are well aligned with the context you're providing. Clear and comprehensive context empowers AI to provide more accurate, insightful, and context-aware outputs. Experimenting with different prompt variations can yield different results. For instance, if an initial prompt doesn't provide your desired outcome, you can iterate by refining the wording, adding more specific instructions, or adjusting the context. This iterative approach allows you to optimize your prompts and obtain more useful and accurate responses from AI models. Experimentation and iteration are key to achieving useful results when interacting with AI models. Here's why experimentation is important and how to effectively iterate your prompts. Embrace the iterative approach. AI models are constantly evolving, and their performance can vary depending on the specific prompt or task. It's essential to approach AI interactions with an iterative mindset. Treat your initial prompt as a starting point, and be open to refining and iterating on it based on the results you receive. Recognize that it may take multiple attempts to fine-tune your prompts and achieve the desired outcome. Analyze and learn from results. After receiving responses from AI models, analyze and evaluate the outputs carefully. Assess whether the generated response aligns with your objectives and expectations. Identify areas where the AI model may have misunderstood the prompt or generated suboptimal outputs. By learning from the results, you gain insights in how the AI system interprets your prompts and can make informed adjustments for future iterations. Refine prompt wording. If the initial prompt does not yield the desired results, consider refining the wording to provide clearer instructions. Analyze the language used in your prompt and identify potential ambiguities or areas for improvement. Experiment with different phrasing, reordering of instructions, or adding more specific details to guide the AI models towards the desired outcome. Adjust context and constraints. In some cases, the context or constraints provided in the prompt may need to be adjusted. If the AI-generated responses did not align with your intended context, or if the constraints hinder the AI model's ability to generate useful outputs, consider modifying or relaxing them. Striking the right balance between context and constraints can lead to more relevant and meaningful responses. Explore different approaches. Don't be afraid to explore different approaches or angles in your prompts. AI models can provide valuable insights and perspectives from various angles. Experiment with different types of questions, alternative phrasing, or diverse perspectives to broaden the range of responses and uncover new insights. This iterative exploration helps you discover the strengths and limitations of the AI model and expand your understanding of the problem and question at hand. If you have access to feedback mechanisms or community forums related to the AI model, leverage them to gather insights and suggestions from others. Engaging in discussions with fellow users or AI experts can provide valuable perspectives and ideas for improving your prompts. Incorporate constructive feedback into your iteration process to refine and enhance your interactions with AI models. Remember that AI models continuously learn and improve, and your prompts can play a crucial role in shaping their development. By embracing the iterative approach, analyzing and learning from results, refining prompt wording, adjusting context and constraints, exploring different approaches, and incorporating feedback, you can iteratively optimize your prompts and enhance the quality and usefulness of AI-generated responses. Iteration and experimentation are key to refining prompts. For instance, we can start with a prompt like, "What are some effective strategies to improve customer satisfaction in the retail industry?" By analyzing the AI-generated responses and iterating on the prompt, we can refine it to further enhance the effectiveness of the strategies and achieve the desired outcome of improving customer satisfaction in the retail sector. Be patient and persistent in your experimentation and iteration. It may take several iterations to find the right combination of prompts that consistently yield the desired outcome. Through continuous refinement and learning, you can unlock the full potential of AI models and derive meaningful insights and outcomes from your interactions. Find a balance between open-ended and specific prompts. Finding a balance between open-ended and specific prompts is crucial. For example, an open-ended prompt could be, "Tell me about the impact of climate change on ecosystems." See video there. This encourages AI to provide a range of insights and perspectives. On the other hand, a specific prompt could be, "List 3 strategies to reduce plastic waste in coastal areas." This prompt guides AI to provide a focused and actionable response. Achieving a balance between open-ended prompts and prompts with specific constraints or guidelines is essential for obtaining useful and diverse results from AI models. Here's why balancing these types of prompts is important and how to effectively utilize them. Open-ended prompts allow AI models to generate creative and diverse responses, encouraging exploration and potentially uncovering novel insights. These prompts often begin with phrases like, "What are your thoughts on?" or "Tell me about." Open-ended prompts give AI the freedom to generate responses based on its learned knowledge and patterns, enabling it to provide unique perspectives or generate creative outputs. On the other hand, specific prompts provide clear instructions or constraints to guide AI models towards a particular outcome. These prompts can include questions with specific answer formats, requests for detailed explanations, or prompts with explicit constraints. Specific prompts are useful when you have a well-defined goal or need a particular type of information or output from the AI model. The choice between open-ended and specific prompts depends on your objectives and the nature of the task. Open-ended prompts are ideal when you want to explore a topic, gather diverse opinions, or generate creative ideas. They allow AI models to generate a wide range of responses, helping you to uncover new perspectives or possibilities. Specific prompts, on the other hand, are more appropriate when you require focused or targeted information, or when you need AI to adhere to specific guidelines or constraints. It's often beneficial to iterate and experiment with both open-ended and specific prompts to strike the right balance. Start with an open-ended prompt to gather a broad range of responses. Analyze the initial outputs and identify specific aspects or areas of interest that require more focused exploration. Then, refine your prompts to include specific instructions or constraints that guide AI towards providing the desired information or output. Adjusting the style or tone of your prompts can also influence the type of responses you receive. For example, using more directive language or providing explicit guidelines in your prompt can lead to more specific outputs. Conversely, using open-ended language or encouraging imaginative responses can yield more creative and exploratory outputs. By effectively balancing open-ended and specific prompts, you can leverage the strengths of AI models to explore diverse perspectives while obtaining targeted information when needed. Experiment with different prompt styles, iterate based on the results, and adjust the balance to align with your objectives and the nature of the task at hand. The iterative process of refining and combining prompt styles enables you to harness the full potential of AI models and achieve valuable and varied outcomes. It's important to recognize the limitations of AI models. For example, an AI model may struggle with understanding ambiguous prompts like, "What is the best movie ever?" Since best is subjective, it's necessary to provide additional context or specify criteria to get more relevant responses. Understanding these limitations helps manage expectations and seek human expertise when needed. While AI has made significant advancements, it's important to be aware of the limitations inherent in AI models. Understanding these limitations helps manage expectations and ensures that you seek additional verification or human judgment when necessary. Here are key aspects to consider. AI models excel within the specific domains they have been trained on. They rely on patterns in the data they have been exposed to during training. Therefore, their knowledge is limited to information available in the training data. If your prompt requires specialized or domain-specific knowledge beyond the scope of the AI model's training, it may not be able to provide accurate or comprehensive responses. In such cases, seeking input from human experts or consulting other reliable sources becomes crucial. AI models heavily depend on the quality and completeness of their training data. If the training data is biased, incomplete, or unrepresentative, it can influence the outputs generated by the AI model. Biases present in the data, such as gender or racial biases, can be inadvertently learned and perpetuated by the AI models. Recognizing the limitations imposed by training data and being mindful of potential biases is essential when interpreting the outputs of AI models. AI models may struggle with understanding ambiguity or nuance in language or concepts. They typically rely on statistical patterns and may not grasp the subtle context or nuances present in prompts. If your prompt involves ambiguous or nuanced elements, it's important to clarify and provide explicit instructions to avoid misleading or inaccurate responses. Human judgment and interpretation are invaluable for handling complex and ambiguous situations that AI models may not fully comprehend. AI models often lack common sense reasoning and may struggle to grasp context beyond what they have learned from their training data. They may provide accurate responses based on their training, but fail to capture broader context or make logical inferences that humans would easily understand. When interacting with AI models, it's important to be aware of these limitations and consider additional contextual information that may be necessary for generating accurate and meaningful responses. AI models are not static entities and continue to evolve with new training data and updates. They are only as good as their most recent training. As AI research progresses, new models with improved capabilities are developed. Therefore, it's important to stay informed about the latest advancements and understand that the limitations of current AI models may change over time. By understanding the limitations of AI models, you can approach AI interactions with a balanced perspective. While AI models offer tremendous value, they are not infallible. It's crucial to exercise critical thinking, verify outputs when necessary, and recognize the need for human expertise and judgment. Leveraging AI as a tool alongside human intelligence can lead to more informed decision-making and better outcomes. By following these tips and techniques for crafting effective prompts, you can enhance your interactions with AI models and achieve more useful and meaningful results. Clear and specific prompts, provided with relevant context, coupled with a willingness to experiment and iterate, allow you to tap into the potential of AI and leverage its capabilities to address your specific needs or questions. Remember to embrace the iterative process, continuously learn from the outcomes, and refine your prompts to maximize the value and insights derived from AI interactions. Understanding how to craft effective prompts is essential for achieving useful results when interacting with AI models. By being clear and specific in your prompts, providing relevant context, experimenting and iterating on your prompts, balancing open-ended and specific approaches, and considering the limitations of AI models, you can enhance the quality and relevance of AI-generated responses. Clear and specific prompts help AI models understand your objectives and the desired outcomes, guiding them to provide precise and accurate information. Providing context enables AI models to grasp the nuances and intricacies of the topic, generating more informed and context-aware responses. Experimenting and iterating on prompts allows you to refine and optimize them based on the AI-generated outputs, ensuring continuous improvement in the quality of results. Balancing open-ended and specific responses allows you to explore diverse perspectives and encourage creativity while also obtaining focused and targeted information when needed. By leveraging both prompt styles, you can benefit from the strengths of AI models in generating varied insights while obtaining precise responses aligned with your objectives. Understanding the limitations of AI models is crucial for managing expectations and seeking additional verification or human judgment when necessary. Being aware of their limitations, such as domain expertise, incomplete data, ambiguity, and the lack of common sense reasoning, empowers you to exercise critical thinking and supplement AI-generated responses with human expertise. By embracing these principles and continually refining your prompt strategies, you can maximize the value and utility of AI models in various domains. Remember, effective prompts are collaborative efforts between humans and AI, leveraging the strengths of both to achieve better outcomes. Through thoughtful and strategic interactions, we can harness the power of AI and navigate a future where humans and AI coexist, driving innovation and addressing complex challenges. Artificial intelligence is an awe-inspiring technology with the potential to revolutionize various industries and enhance our lives in countless ways. By dispelling misconceptions, addressing fears, and understanding AI's true nature, we can embrace this transformative technology responsibly. Remember to craft clear and specific prompts, provide relevant context, and be open to experimentation and iteration to achieve the most useful and meaningful results. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. This is the point at which others tell you, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content just like this. But we all know that kind of thing is for losers. Don't be a loser. And as always, I welcome your feedback and ideas for future videos in the comments section below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing your inner nude, dude.